Hi, this is Santiago Martin calling in from the Danfoss booth at IHS. Danfoss is here presenting a comprehensive pool of solutions addressing the residential, commercial building, and the district energy markets. We are super happy to see the engagement that we get from all the visitors who are coming in here, super engaged to walk the green talk together with us. We've been getting questions during these days regarding how to deliver more energy efficiency solutions, how to actually make the usage of natural refrigerants, and also all in about how to develop solutions to decarbonize our world. If I have to highlight one word which is being heard left and right during these days, it's been heat pumps, and that is actually great news for the world. That is great news for the mission to decarbonize our world, and that is also great news for Danfoss because of the comprehensive portfolio of solutions we can actually provide to our partners so that they deliver a full solutions around heat pumps. Stay tuned because a lot of things are coming out from the Danfoss booth as IHS.